So the weather's fined up a bit outside, so I decided I'd fly this messy looking rig outside. I've picked up already that with the indoor flights that there's a lot of vibration, but I thought, well, one thing to do, I can pop a tiny camera on the front of it. These things came out many years ago and they're about 20 bucks a pop. They're actually 1080p, but they're upscale from 720p, but they're upscale. So I suddenly thought, all I need to do, because I don't want to put an FPV camera on this thing, so I thought what I can do is I can just stick it on with a little bit of double-sided tape, and about there, and I'll get a record of flight and I'll get a better idea of how to assess the vibration. My old faithful jumper radio, I'm going to take to the skies and see what happens. So that's the plan. So let's see how it pans out. And I apologise at this point for the quality of the rest of the video, but what do you expect for a $20 camera?
Signal 30 decibel. Signal 0 decibel. Engine off.
Okay, well this motor's definitely overheated. The whole thing just dropped out of the air and it was vibrating madly before it did so. In fact, they're all a bit hot. So I think that is the end of trying to resuscitate those motors that went in the drink. They're very old anyway. So pretty scruffy video quality, but at least it's a record of the last flight of this. Though of course it's just the motors, so I suppose the next thing to do, I could put some Bug 3 motors on it and see how it goes with those. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So, another funny video.